how to turn on multiple device login on IMO. So now if you want to turn on multiple device login so that nobody will be able to log in to your IMO account apart from your device, you should follow the steps in this video. So now once you open your IMO app, you proceed and you click on your profile picture. Now once you click on your profile image, it's an indication for you to click on settings. So now once you click on settings, the second to the last option is manage devices. You click on it. At this point, all you need to do is to turn on this option to prevent people from making an attempt or logging in using other device. So let's turn it on. So as you can see, for you to do this, you need to click on this to enable that. So this is how to turn on multiple device login on your IMO. Remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share if this tutorial is helpful to you.